The angels today bring a message that will illuminate your path and prepare your heart for a truth that perhaps you are not expecting. There is something happening behind the scenes of your life, something that is about to come to light. A revelation about you has been made, and this truth, kept for so long, is about to be exposed in a way that will change the course of your life. This revelation comes from a person who knows you in a deep way, someone who has been silently observing you, admiring your qualities but also carrying a secret that, when revealed, will have the power to completely transform your perceptions. Perhaps you have already felt it, that subtle sense that something is in the air, something unsaid but present in small gestures, in looks that seem to convey more than words. This secret is about you, about how you have profoundly impacted that person's life. The angels want you to know that, although this revelation may initially shake your emotions, it is part of a greater divine plan. Nothing that is happening now is by chance, and everything that is about to be unveiled will serve to align your life with what truly matters. The truth, even if painful or unexpected, always brings liberation, and what is to come will open doors that you never imagined existed. This person, who has kept their feelings hidden for so long, can no longer bear the weight of keeping everything concealed. The secret that will be revealed speaks not only of what she observes about you, but of something that has deeply touched her soul. It is about who you are, about the light you carry, and about the impact you have had on her life. The angels say that you have awakened emotions that this person was not ready to face, and now, all of this is about to come to light in a clear and surprising way. Get ready for a moment of great revelation. This person felt the need to share something intimate, something they held onto like a hidden treasure. Perhaps you have gone through moments of doubt, questioning if this connection had a deeper meaning, and now the answer is about to be revealed to you. What was said about you goes beyond mere words. It is a confession of feelings, of admiration, and of a love that has been kept secret for a long time. Before we proceed, remember, the angels ask you to keep your heart open. This truth has been protected for so long because there were fears, insecurities, and a series of emotional barriers that needed to be overcome. But now, all of that is dissolving. What is to come will be a test of faith, of patience, but above all, it will be a moment of clarity. This person, by revealing this secret, is going through a process of profound internal transformation. The angels show that, for a long time, they struggled against what they felt, perhaps even trying to suppress these emotions, pretending they did not exist. But the longer it went on, the harder it became to keep everything hidden. Now, this person finds themselves at a decisive moment, where hiding the truth is no longer an option. The energy of this revelation is strong and inevitable, like a wave that can no longer be contained. Unknowingly, you have been a catalyst for this change. Your presence, your way of being, awakened something that this person had never experienced before. The angels reveal that you have brought to light truths about themselves that were dormant, and now, this truth needs to be shared. This secret is more than just unspoken words. It is a reflection of feelings that were nurtured in silence but have grown to a point where they can no longer be ignored. This person has been feeling torn between fear and the desire to open up their heart. The fear of how you will react, the fear of how things may change after this revelation. But the angels whisper that this is the right moment, that everything has been carefully prepared for this truth to be told now. The emotional obstacles that once seemed insurmountable are being removed, and the courage needed to reveal everything is finally emerging. You may have felt that something was about to happen. Perhaps you have noticed deeper looks, gestures laden with meaning, or even silences that seem to hide more than words could reveal. The angels say that these signs were always there, trying to show you that much more was happening than you imagined. The revelation that is about to come is significant, but it will bring with it an immense sense of relief and clarity. The secret that this person was holding about you will touch the most intimate parts of your heart. You will realize that everything that has been said or done so far had a greater purpose, that every small interaction between you is paving the way for this moment. And when the truth is revealed, you will understand that the pieces of this emotional puzzle finally fit together. Everything will make sense. The angels ask that, in this moment of revelation, you maintain calm and compassion. Understanding that the other person also carries their own fears and vulnerabilities is essential. What will be revealed is not just a reflection of what this person thinks about you, but also of the internal struggles they have faced to get to this point. This is a moment of healing for both, and what is to come can further strengthen the bond that unites you. Now that this truth is about to be revealed, the angels show that you are being spiritually prepared to receive this confession. They are by your side, enveloping your heart with light and protection, ensuring that you have clarity to understand everything that is to come. It is important that you are open to not only listening to the words that will be spoken, but also to the feelings that will be behind them. This secret was not kept out of malice, but out of fear of how the truth could change the course of things. The angels reveal that this person did not want their words to create chaos or bring pain. On the contrary, they kept everything secret because they were seeking the right moment, a moment when both of you could be ready to deal with the depth of what will be revealed. That moment has arrived, and now, everything that was hidden will finally come to light, bringing with it a new perspective on the relationship and the future for both of you. The impact of this revelation will be profound. You may feel a mix of emotions, surprise, relief, perhaps even some initial confusion. But the angels assure that this confession will bring a liberating truth. From the moment this secret is revealed, both of you will be at a new starting point. Old uncertainties and insecurities will start to dissipate, and a new path, full of possibilities, will open up in front of you. This truth, which has been hidden between the lines for so long, will be the key to unlock a new phase in your life. Everything that seemed uncertain will begin to become clear, as if a light is being turned on in a dark room. The angels show that, after this revelation, you will realize that the fears you both carried were not as insurmountable as they seemed. Love, when faced with the truth, has the power to heal and strengthen. You will also need to make your own reflections. What does this revelation mean to you? How will it change your perception of the person making this confession? The angels ask you to take a moment to reflect on what you truly desire moving forward. This truth will be the beginning of a new cycle, and you have the opportunity to decide how you want to move forward. What is in your hands is more than just a simple choice. It is an invitation to follow a path of truth, authenticity, and deep connection. The truth, when shared with honesty and vulnerability, has the power to transform everything around. This person is about to strip off all their defenses, to open their heart in a way they never have before. And you, by listening, will be called to respond with love, understanding, and above all, empathy. This is a moment of unity, of looking beyond fears, and finding a new meaning to everything you have experienced until now. As you approach the conclusion of this revelation, the angels bring a message of comfort and hope. This person, by opening up so honestly, is not only revealing a secret but also showing how important you are to them. What will be said goes beyond simple words. It is a testimony of the profound impact you have had on their life. Your light, your energy, and your authenticity have touched this person's heart in a way that changed everything. The angels want you to know that this is a unique opportunity. This secret, when revealed, not only brings hidden truths to the surface, but also creates the chance for a genuine and deep reconnection. Love, when supported by truth, can flourish in ways you may have never imagined. Everything that has been kept in secret was just waiting for the right moment to manifest, and now that moment has come. From here, the barriers will fall, and you will be able to see clearly what this person truly feels. It is natural to feel a certain fear in the face of such a significant revelation. But the angels ask you to remember that truth always brings healing. Even if at first you feel shaken or surprised, this truth is a gift. It will heal old wounds, dispel doubts, and bring a new perspective to your life. The secret that will be revealed is not just a confession, but also a demonstration of trust, that this person values you enough to finally share what was kept. The angels also tell you that this is a moment of decision. With this new information in hand, you will have the opportunity to choose the path ahead. You can choose to welcome this truth with an open heart, allowing it to guide you and this person to a new phase of mutual understanding and love. Or you can decide that this is the time to reflect on what you truly want for the future. Whatever your choice, the angels assure you that you will be guided by divine love and universal wisdom. Finally, the angels want you to trust the process. This revelation, no matter how surprising it may be, is part of a greater plan. What is happening now is a cosmic movement, a response to your deepest prayers and wishes. The truth has been revealed so that you can move forward with more clarity and purpose. Believe that the universe is aligning everything in your favor, and that love and truth will always find a way to prevail. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.